Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got Lookfantastic and this is their May box. As always, if you're new to Lookfantastic, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box that ships worldwide and it costs £15 a box. Inside you get 6 beauty treats ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup and sometimes beauty tools as well. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. The reason you're seeing this box a little bit earlier than usual is because this is a PR box. I'm on Lookfantastic's PR list, so they kindly send it to me a little bit earlier so then I can show you and tell you all about it on my channel. So as well as receiving the PR box, I do actually have a subscription running as well. I take out a 12-month subscription, so instead of paying £15 a month for the box, I pay £13 a month, and with those boxes I either put them up for giveaways on my Facebook page and Instagram page, which are both the same, Diaryofabeautygeek, or I gift them to friends and family. All links and everything related to this box you will find down below, as well as a discount code that they've given me to share with you, which will entitle you to receive 10% off your first box if you opt for a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription, plus if I can find any other codes lying around and limited edition boxes that they're currently running, etc., then you'll find it down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that will bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. Inside we've got a little magazine here and it details everything about the products inside the box, plus it usually gives you a sneak peek for the following month. So I'll look through that in a little while. I haven't opened it up yet. Little sneak peek. Whoops. There. This month's Ethereal edition has got the team here at Beauty Box HQ all excited for summertime, and I hope it's had the same effect on you. In fact, when we were discussing this month's theme, there was one aesthetic in particular that we drew inspiration from, Daisy by Marc Jacobs. Think Daisy feels, picnics, sunsets and time spent outdoors with the ones you love. We finally made it. Amelia. So on the back page it gives you a sneak peek for next month, and we've got a Balance Me pre and probiotic cleansing milk, 30 mils, and it's worth £8. So everyone who subscribes for the June box will receive that in their box next month. And then we got some limited edition boxes coming up. We've got a Moroccan Oil limited edition worth £92, plus we've got a Mankind Father's Day box which is worth £132. There's no dates yet, but as soon as I hear something I'll post it up all over my social media sites to let you know all about them. So first item out the box, and we've got a product by L'Oreal Paris, and this is a hand sanitizer gel. It purifies hands without drying out, no rinse off, and we've got here 125 mils. It feels really nice actually. Normally hand sanitizers are very drying, but no, that feels quite nice actually. No scent, no scent. But yeah, there's no information about this hand sanitizer because it's an added freebie, but the value is £2.69. Next we've got This Works, and this is Stress Check Kind Hands Soothing Hand Cream for Dry Overwashed Hands, and we've got 30 mils here. Another great product to add in a beauty box. I am really struggling with my hands because I'm constantly washing them, hand sanitizing them, etc. Especially now all the shops are open, you're having to do it before you go in all the shops. I do really like the fact that they've added this cream and the hand sanitizer in this box. Oh, it feels really nice. It does feel really, really nice. Oh, I do really like that. Oh, it's got like a lavender smell. It's 98% natural super blend with vitamin E and shea butter to nourish skin, and ylang ylang and lavender essential oils to help calm the mind. Yeah, I really do like that. That's a fab cream. Formula locks in essential hydration and provides fast acting relief without leaving any sticky residue. Also enriched with This Works Stress Check fragrance to uplift your senses with every use. So we've got a hand cream. Next we've got a product by Dr. Botanicals, and this is a Kiwi Superfood Cooling Eye Serum, and there's 15 mils here. So another full-size item. Oh, it's stuck down and I can't open it. Oh, rip the packaging. Now I'm not going to open this up to test it out. As with all Dr. Botanical products, they have got a short shelf life because all the products are natural, so they say that as soon as you open them up you've got 6 months to use them. So I've got a lot of eye creams, eye products on the go at the moment. We seem to have had a lot over the last couple of months or so, so I'm not going to open this up. I'm going to leave it for now. But I love cooling serums for the eyes. Much nicer than creams. I use creams every single day. I haven't got a clue if they help in minimising lines or anything like that, but it feels nice. But I do prefer cooling products because I just find that it just like perks up my eyes. It just feels nicer underneath my eyes. It just says a lightweight, quick absorbing serum formula eye treatment that combines superfood ingredients to create a soothing treatment to defend the delicate eye area against external aggressors. Use regularly to see a visible reduction of signs of aging. It contains kiwi seed oil, vitamin A, grapefruit, caprylic, and gluconolactone, a PHA, and it just says tap a small amount under the eyes up into the brow bone after cleansing. So we've got a cooling eye serum. Next we've got a product by eCooking, and this is a peeling mask. Don't panic if your skin turns red, it means it's working. It's used between 5 to 15 minutes, add moisturiser afterwards. Nice little pot there. I'll just show you what it looks like. There. No scent. An effective face mask with peeling effects to tighten and smooth your complexion. Its active ingredients rid the skin of dead skin cells and encourages cell production, which over time decreases the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Your skin will prickle upon application and may look red after use. This is completely normal. It contains squalene, lactic acid and glycolic acid, and then it goes on to telling you how to use it. And it says here, due to the peeling nature of this mask, it is not recommended for use before going out into the sun. Got a face mask. Next we've got an item by the Vintage Cosmetics Company, and this is a silicone exfoliating pad. You can see there. Put your fingers in it like that. Soft silicone for a gentle exfoliation with handy suction pads. Let's get it out. Yeah, it does feel nice. I have got a few of these actually. I've received them through different subscription boxes over the years, and I don't really use them, but they are nice. They are nice. Or I suppose you could wash your makeup brushes with them. A soft silicone bristle brush pad designed for use with your favourite cleanser to deeply cleanse your pores and remove dead skin cells. Use regularly to reveal a gorgeous glowing complexion. So yeah, so we've got a cleansing exfoliating pad there. Next I got a product by Burt's Bees. You will receive either 1 or 3 different shades of the Burt's Bees lip balm, which I'm about to show you, or you'll receive a Daily Concepts Mother of Pearl soap sponge, which I'll show you here. So this is the only variation in this month's box. So you'll receive either one of those, or you'll receive one of those. I'm actually wearing a Burt's Bees lipstick now, look. That's what I'm wearing on my lips now. I just put it on. I do really like it. I love them. So we have got here a watermelon moisturising lip balm. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love watermelon. Oh, that's so nice. That's a really strong watermelon scent. Oh, that's so, so nice. But yeah, I was saying you'll get one of 3 shades. It's not tinted, it's just clear. Oh, I love it. I love it. You're not going to see anything. I absolutely love it. Oh, cucumber and mint is one of them. And then wild cherry. I would have been happy with any of those. Delicious flavoured version of the cult classic lip balm, formulated to condition and moisturise the lips for a pout that everyone will be buzzing about. You'll receive either refreshing cucumber, super sweet cherry or fresh watermelon this month, and it contains beeswax and coconut oil. So you've got a lip balm, and then information about the sponge soap, or soap sponge. It's an exfoliating, deeply cleansing and clarifying sponge enriched with mother of pearl to enhance radiance and improve the skin's overall texture. Soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. So yeah, so you'll receive one of those in your box. Then the last item is a bit of a mystery, because we were supposed to have, as stated in this magazine and as our sneak peek from last month, we were supposed to have a Espa 24-hour replenishing eye moisturiser, which you can see there. But we've got something else, which in all honesty, I absolutely love Espa. I'm really glad that it's not in this box, because you've got an eye serum and an eye moisturiser. Two of the same sort of products. But anyway, instead of the Espa product, we have got a product by Comfort Zone. And this is a Hydra Memory Cream Gel, 24-hour double hydration cream gel. And there's 15 mils here. And there's no information about it. So I don't know what's happened there. Maybe they were expecting an Espa delivery of some sorts for their boxes, but it just didn't come in time, because I know that's happened with a few different subscription boxes. As I said, I don't receive a press release, so I don't really know what's happening. But no, I'm quite chuffed to that. Oh, it smells nice. It smells really lovely, but what can I tell you about it? It feels so cooling. It feels nice, but it feels so cooling. Cream gel with a double hydrating effect with macrohyaluronic acid, a pool of natural extracts and moringa oil obtained from certified fair trade cultivations to protect the skin's barrier and maintain optimal moisture levels of the skin. Recommended for normal and mixed type skins, and apply to the face and neck morning and evening after the serum. That was really hard to read, because the writing is so small. So those are all the products inside Lookfantastic's May beauty box. So I'm just going to gather them all up. So we got 7 products in all, 6 beauty treats, and then an added freebie of the hand sanitizer down there. So we've got a peeling facial mask, we've got a lip balm, we've got a moisturizer, we've got an exfoliating pad, we've got an eye serum, and we've got a hand cream as well. Even though we don't have the Espa product, I am really chuffed with this month's box. I do think it's a lovely box, and the fact we've got 7 products as well. The eye serum, I'm not sure what I'll do with that yet. As I said, I'm using a load at the moment. Well, I'm dipping in and out with different ones, so I have a load of different under eye creams that are open, so I need to use them first before I get on to any others, so I'm not sure what to do with that yet. But then this pad as well, I have got a few of them, but I just don't seem to use them. I do like them, I like the idea of them, so I just don't know why, because it feels nice. And I can imagine putting a really nice blob of cleanser on there and exfoliating the face. But everything else though, I am really chuffed about. But as always, I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Are you gutted the Espa product isn't in there? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.